Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Flow. How are you today? I hope you are doing great. I am Maya, and I am here with my co-host, Ryan. Welcome back to the channel, Ryan.
Hello, everyone. I am so happy to be here today. And hello to all our amazing viewers. Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Flow. It is always great to be here, Maya.
So today we have a very exciting episode for all of you. This is episode 1 of our brand new series, Basic English Conversations for Beginners.
Yes. And if you are a beginner, this series is made exactly for you. Every episode we will practice a new real-life English conversation. Simple words, simple sentences, easy to understand.
And we post a new episode every single day. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
That is so important. Subscribe right now, and you will get new English practice every single day. Okay, Maya, let's tell everyone what we are going to learn today.
So today, in episode 1, we are going to practice the most basic and most important conversation in English. Meeting someone for the very first time and introducing yourself.
This is the first conversation every English learner needs to know. If you can do this, you can start any conversation in English. So let's jump right in.
Before we start, let me quickly explain how this episode works. First, Ryan and I will have a natural conversation. We will speak slowly and clearly so you can follow easily.
Then after each part, we will stop and explain all the phrases we used, what they mean, how to use them, and how to say them naturally.
And at the end, we will do the full conversation one more time, a little faster, so you can practice your listening. Sound good?
I love this format. It is the best way to learn real English. Okay, everyone, let's start the first conversation.
All right, let's pretend we are meeting for the very first time. Ryan, you go first.
Perfect. Here we go. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. And you?
I am doing great. I don't think we have met before. I am Ryan.
Nice to meet you, Ryan. I am Maya.
Nice to meet you too, Maya. Are you new here?
Yes, I just started last week. It is all still pretty new to me.
Oh, wow. Welcome. Where are you from originally?
I am from New York. What about you?
I am from Chicago, but I have been living here for about 3 years now.
Oh, that is cool. Do you like it here?
Yeah, I really do. It took some time to get used to one, but now I love it. You will like it here too. Everyone is really friendly.
That is good to hear. Thanks for making me feel welcome.
Of course. Hey, do you want to grab a coffee sometime and I can show you around?
That sounds great. I would really like that.
Awesome. It was really nice meeting you, Maya.
You too, Ryan. See you around.
See you.
Okay, everyone. That was our first conversation. Now let's stop and break everything down. Let's look at every phrase we used.
The very first phrase I said was, "Hey, how's it going?" Now most beginners learn to say, "How are you?" But in real everyday English, native speakers almost never say that.
That is so true, Ryan. How's it going? Is much more natural and casual. You will hear this every single day in real English conversations.
You can also say, "Hey, what's up?" or "How are you doing?" They all mean the same thing, just different ways to greet someone casually.
And I replied, pretty good, thanks. And you? Notice I did not say, I am fine, thank you. That sounds very formal and a little old-fashioned.
Exactly. Pretty good is the most natural answer. You can also say, "Not bad," or "I'm doing well," or just, "Good, thanks." All very natural.
And always remember to ask back. And you? This is very important. It shows the other person that you are interested in them too.
Then I said, "I don't think we have met before. I am Ryan." This is a very polite and natural way to introduce yourself to someone new.
You can also say, I don't think I know you, or I don't think we have been introduced. Both are very natural ways to start an introduction.
And notice I said, "I am Ryan," not "My name is Ryan." Both are correct, but "I am Ryan" sounds much more friendly and natural in conversation.
Then I said, nice to meet you. This is the standard phrase in English when you meet someone for the very first time. Everyone uses this phrase.
And the reply is always, "Nice to meet you too." Always add "to" at the end. If someone says nice to meet you, you say nice to meet you too.
Then Ryan asked, "Are you new here?" This is a great conversation starter. You can use this at work, at school, in your neighborhood, anywhere you meet someone new.
And Maya answered, Yes, I just started last week. It is all still pretty new to me. Let's look at this phrase. Pretty new to me means I am still learning and getting used to things.
You can use this phrase in many situations. It is all pretty new to me. Maybe you started a new job, moved to a new city, or started learning something new. Very useful.
Then I asked, Where are you from originally? This is one of the most common questions in English. You will hear this in almost every first conversation.
And the answer is simple. I am from New York. Just say, I am from, and then the place. That is it. Very simple structure.
Then I said, I have been living here for about 3 years now. This tells someone how long you have been in a place. The structure is, I have been living in blank for blank years.
This is such a useful structure. Practice it with your own information. For example, I have been studying English for 2 years. I have been living in this city for 6 months. Very important structure.
Then Maya asked, Do you like it here? This is a perfect follow-up question. When someone tells you about where they live or work, ask them, Do you like it?
And Ryan answered, Yeah, I really do. It took some time to get used to, but now I love it. Let's look at this phrase. It took some time to get used to.
This means, at the beginning it was difficult or strange, but now it feels normal and comfortable. For example, it took some time to get used to my new job. It took some time to get used to waking up early.
Then I said, That is good to hear. This is a very natural phrase that means I am happy about what you just told me. Use this whenever someone shares good news with you.
Then I asked, Do you want to grab a coffee sometime? Grab a coffee is a very casual and natural way to say have coffee together. Native speakers say this all the time.
You can also say, I'd grab lunch, grab dinner, grab a drink. All very natural and casual ways to suggest spending time with someone.
And Maya said, That sounds great. I would really like that. That sounds great is one of the most useful phrases in English. Use it whenever you are happy or excited about something someone suggested.
And we finished with, It was really nice meeting you. See you around, and see you. See you around means we will probably see each other again soon. Very friendly and casual goodbye.
Other ways to say goodbye: take care, talk soon, have a good one, or just bye. All very natural ways to end a conversation.
Okay, everyone, now let's practice our second conversation. This time we are going to talk about work and jobs. This is another very common topic when you meet someone new.
Ready, Maya?
Ready, let's go. So Ryan, what do you do for work?
I am a teacher. I teach English at a school nearby. What about you?
Oh, that is interesting. I work at a hospital. I am a nurse.
Wow, that must be a really busy job.
It is, but I really love it. Every day is different. What do you love about teaching?
Honestly, I love seeing my students improve. When they understand something for the first time, that feeling is amazing.
That is really nice. How long have you been teaching?
About 5 years now. What about you? How long have you been a nurse?
Almost 3 years. It is hard work, but it is very rewarding.
I completely understand that feeling. Do you work long hours?
Yes, sometimes my shifts are 12 hours long. It can be really tiring.
That sounds tough. How do you relax after a long shift?
I love watching movies and cooking. What about you? What do you do in your free time?
I love reading and going for walks, simple things, but they help me recharge.
That is great. It is so important to take care of yourself.
Absolutely. Balance is everything.
Okay, let's break this conversation down now. The first question was, what do you do for work? This is the most natural way to ask someone about their job in English.
You can also say, What do you do? Or, What is your job? But what do you do for work sounds the most natural in everyday conversation.
I answered, I am a teacher. Always say I am a, and then your job title. I am a doctor. I am a student. I am an engineer. simple and natural.
Then Maya said, "That must be a really busy job." The phrase "that must be" is used when you are imagining or guessing something. That must be exciting. That must be really hard. Very useful.
Then I asked, "What do you love about teaching?" Notice this is a specific and interesting question. Not just, "Do you like your job?" but, "What do you love about it?" This keeps the conversation going.
Always try to ask specific questions. People love talking about what they enjoy. It makes the conversation more interesting and natural.
Then Ryan asked, "How long have you been teaching?" This is an extremely important structure in English. How long have you been blanking?
How long have you been living here? How long have you been studying English? How long have you been working there? Practice this structure with your own life. It is very, very useful.
I answered, "Almost 3 years." You can say almost when you are close to a number but not exactly there yet. Almost 3 years. Almost 1 hour. Almost finished.
Then I asked, "Do you work long hours?" And Maya talked about her shifts. A shift is the period of time you work. Morning shift, night shift, 12-hour shift. Very common word in English.
And at the end I asked, "How do you relax after a long shift?" How do you relax is a great question to ask anyone, and the answers use the structure. I love blanking. I love watching movies. I love cooking. I love reading.
Practice this structure with your own hobbies. I love playing football. I love listening to music. I love spending time with my family. Use "I love blanking" every time you talk about your hobbies.
And the last phrase, balance is everything. Short, simple, powerful. A great way to end any conversation about life and work.
Okay, everyone, now let's do a quick summary of all the key phrases from today's episode.
Phrase 1, how's it going? Use this instead of how are you in casual, everyday conversation.
Phrase 2, nice to meet you. Say this every single time you meet someone new.
Phrase 3, these, where are you from? Perfect for starting a conversation with someone you just met.
Phrase 4, it took some time to get used to it. Use this when something was hard at first but feels normal now.
Phrase 5, that must be really interesting. Use this to show you are genuinely interested in what someone is telling you.
Phrase 6, how long have you been blanking? Use this to ask about anyone's experience or how long they have been doing something.
Phrase 7, I love blanking. Use this every time you talk about your hobbies and interests.
Phrase 8, that sounds great. Use this when you are happy or excited about something someone suggested.
Phrase 9, see you around. A friendly and natural way to say goodbye to someone you will see again.
Phrase 10, balance is everything. A great phrase to end any conversation about life, work, and daily routine.
Now, before we go, we have a small homework for you today. In the comments below, we want you to introduce yourself in English.
Tell us your name, where you are from, and what you do. Use the phrases from today's lesson. Even 2 or 3 sentences is perfect.
We read every single comment, so we will be looking for yours. Do not be shy, just try your best. That is how you improve.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow and reach more beginners just like you.
That is all for episode 1 of Basic English Conversations for Beginners. We hope you learned a lot today.
Tomorrow, episode 2 is coming. We are going to practice English conversations for shopping. Super useful for real everyday life.
So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell right now so you do not miss episode 2 tomorrow.
Thank you so much for watching Everyday English Flow. We will see you tomorrow.
Keep practicing, everyone. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You can do this. We believe in you.
Bye, everyone.
See you tomorrow.